and I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Alight motion app. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we click on Alight motion app. Here in this page of app on flow we click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. Subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.